A warm water bag will be useful for every driver. This simple solution is not only effective, but also saves time and energy, especially on freezing mornings. All you need is a resealable plastic bag, fill it with very warm water, and seal it tightly, ensuring there are no leaks. This simple trick works wonders. Instead of spending long minutes scraping the windshield, which can be tiring and may even damage the glass, just slide the bag over the frozen surface. The warm water starts working instantly, melting the ice in seconds. This eliminates the need for scrapers, which can be inconvenient, or chemical de-icers, which can be costly. Moreover, the bag works with great precision. You can see the ice disappearing immediately upon contact with the warmth. Move the bag gently from top to bottom to evenly melt the ice across the windshield dot. In just a few minutes, the entire process is complete, and your windshield is ice-free and ready for the road. This simple method is especially valuable for those who have little time in the morning and need to get going quickly. Did you know about this trick? Don't throw away old newspapers. They're a winter lifesaver for your car. Scraping ice, unreliable de-icers, and freezing hands are a daily struggle for many drivers. But there's a simple and cheap solution. Lay old newspapers over your windshield and secure them with the wipers. They act as a protective barrier, preventing frost and ice buildup. In the morning, just remove the papers and your windshield is clear. No scraping, no wasted time. Every morning, I take a thermos with me in the car, an absolute lifesaver in winter. This simple trick is not only effective, but also saves time and effort, especially on freezing mornings. All you need is a Ziploc bag, filled with very warm water and sealed tightly to prevent leaks. Instead of spending long minutes scraping ice off your windshield, which can be exhausting and even damage the glass, simply glide the warm water-filled bag over the frozen surface. The ice melts instantly, saving you from using uncomfortable scrapers or expensive chemical de-icers. The best part? The bag works with precision. You can literally see the ice disappear upon contact with the warmth. Move it gently from top to bottom for an even melt across the entire windshield. Within minutes, your car windows are clear and ready for the road. This hack is a game changer for anyone who has little time in the morning and wants a quick, hassle-free solution. Have you tried it before? Here's a perfect trick for cleaning your car upholstery. Spills from drinks will be a thing of the past, and unpleasant odors will disappear. With it, you can refresh your car's interior quickly and for free. Take a bowl and fill it with warm water. Next, take a laundry detergent pod. Throw the pod into the water and wait for it to dissolve completely. Mix everything to create a cleaning foam. Take an ordinary small towel and soak it in the mixture. Thoroughly wring out the excess water. It's important that the towel is damp, but not dripping. You'll be cleaning the car in sections, so it's best to start with the passenger seat. Lay the towel on the car upholstery. Place a pot lid on top of it, which is the key item for this trick. This is what makes the method successful. Fold the corners of the towel towards the center so that you can grasp them along with the pot lid handle. The whole setup should be tightly stretched. Clean the upholstery in circular motions, moving the lid over the entire surface. When the towel dries, soak it again to repeat the process on other parts. The upholstery will smell and look like new, and your car will be like it just came from the showroom. Thanks to this, I got rid of scratches on my car. Every driver knows how easy it is to get small scratches on the bodywork. Luckily, there's a simple way to remove them without expensive visits to the body shop. You only need 2 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil has lubricating and protective properties, creating a thin layer that smooths the surface of the paint. Next, add half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that dissolves dirt and helps even out the paint's texture. Place the mixture in the microwave and heat for about a minute until the coconut oil completely melts. Your mixture is ready. Now grab a soft cloth, preferably microfiber, that won't scratch the paint. Soak the cloth in the mixture and gently rub it into the scratches on the car. With this method, small scratches will disappear for good, and your car will look beautiful again. Try this trick and enjoy a shiny bodywork without unnecessary costs. Not many people know these uses for Vaseline, but everyone should. Today, I'll show you a few simple tricks that really make life easier. Vaseline isn't just great for your skin. It also works as an excellent lubricant and preservative that protects surfaces. Just rub a little onto clean tires with a soft microfiber cloth. They'll regain their deep color and look like new, while staying protected from cracking and drying out. Another great use? The dashboard. Lightly wipe it with Vaseline to give it a smooth satin finish and protect it from UV damage that causes cracking and fading. You can do the same with the steering wheel so it stays looking new and flexible longer. And don't forget the plastic trim on the doors. Vaseline restores color depth and even helps hide small scratches. It's a cheap, super effective hack that makes a big difference. I always keep a bar of soap in the car. Let me show you a few reasons why it's worth having it on hand. A regular bar of soap can not only increase driving comfort, but also improve your safety. You've probably had your wipers start squeaking or not clear water from the windshield properly. All you need to do is rub the surface of the blades thoroughly with the bar of soap. After that, they'll work much better, and if the problem comes back, just use the soap again. If you have trouble inserting your key into the lock, that's easy to fix too. Rub the key on the bar of soap, then spread a thin layer over its surface. The key will slide into the lock without any resistance. Soap also works great on door seals. Open the door and rub the rubber seals with the soap. It creates a thin, protective layer that reduces friction and prevents the rubber from sticking to the car body. Thanks to that, the doors open smoothly and without resistance, and the seals are better protected all year round. You can leave a bar of soap or a small piece somewhere in the car, for example, in the side door or other compartments. It works as a natural air freshener, providing a fresh, pleasant scent inside the vehicle. Rub a thin layer of soap on the inside of your windows, then polish it with a microfiber cloth. This way, you'll forget about foggy windows from the inside. One bar of soap, so many uses. Simple, effective, and no extra cost. Hold a lit candle next to your car's side mirror for 10 seconds. Sounds absurd, but it works brilliantly. That's why I'm going to show you a trick that explains everything. Take a regular candle. Rub the tip of the candle thoroughly over the mirror. Cover the entire surface with an even layer of wax. Don't worry, it won't damage the mirror. Now, carefully light the wax directly on the surface of the mirror. Do it quickly and safely, just for a moment so the wax melts. Then, take a cloth and rub the melted wax thoroughly into the mirror. Don't skip any spots. The layer needs to be even and well adhered to the glass. Once coated, the mirror will shed water and dirt more effectively. It improves visibility on the road during rain. It's a simple home trick that can improve visibility and increase driving safety, especially in harsh weather conditions.